Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Huawei's Honor Play. Peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. Huawei went with a very simple packaging. Opening the box, firstly we have the phone. Let's put that aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. Inside the box we have this leaflet which consists of warranty information, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, and Huawei have also included a clear case to go with the phone. Next we have a USB-C cable and then finally the power adapter. Now taking a look at the phone, here I'm turning it on for the first time and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint, which takes less than a minute, and fingerprint scanner is really quick, no problems there. Then we also will be asked to register face. Again, this takes less than a minute and it works very efficiently. You can also choose between slide to unlock or direct unlock. I personally chose direct unlock as it unlocks the phone almost instantly. In terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the camera, earpiece and sensors. It has the notification light for those who are wondering, and this is how it looks. The color might change depending upon the notification, which is something I'm not sure of, but I'll talk more about that in my future videos. To the bottom we have capacitive buttons, to the right we have power and volume buttons, and to the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom we have speakers, noise cancelling microphone, USB-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. To the top we have a secondary noise cancelling microphone. To the back we have dual lens camera with flash, then we have the AI camera branding. Next to that we have the fingerprint scanner. To the bottom we have the Honor branding and also SAR value. Those who are interested can pause the screen and take a look at it. When it comes to storage, it has 64GB of internal storage, out of which about 52GB is available out of the box, and it has 4GB of RAM, and it is running Oreo right out of the box. In terms of weight, it weighs at 169 grams, so it isn't heavy but it is tall, at least for my hand, so we'll have to see how it holds up. That's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video, it will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.